I'm going to be unboxing clear drawers. So let me open it. Pull them in batches. So this was pretty heavy box. We got this one, and let me open. These are like identical, the same. Here we go. This one. It's two. And let me open the other one. It looks like the bigger piece. There we go. So we have this. So this is the reverse. That's actually the opening with that tape. There. So it's a bunch of drawers. So this one and this one are the same. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are identical here. And the drawer measures 6 and 3/4 by the inner dimension is 3 and 3/8 by 6 and 5/8. That's the interior measurements. 6 and 5/8 by 3 and 3/8. So there's like 12 of them total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the depth is around 1.5. Doesn't focus, but it's 1.5. And this one here, it looks identical to each other. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers for this one. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you open this one here, we have 4 of them per. This one measures, it should be the same as the other one, 3 and 3/8, the inner, the interior measurement, and 6 and 5/8. And this is the deeper than the other one. This should be 2 and 3/8. So we have 4 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and since we have 2 pa, so 8 drawers here and 12 drawers here. For this drawer here, what are things that we can put in here? Maybe highlighters, maybe. There. Those are highlighters that you can put in here. And that. Put it on the other side so it will look pretty. Like that. Right there. So we put it here. Highlighters. For this drawer here, the smaller drawers, you can put skinnier highlighter. Maybe some of that too. More highlight, different types of highlighter. There. So that goes there. Right here, maybe some Sharpie. Okay. We got Sharpie. There. You can rotate it if you want. Here. So how many Sharpie did it fit? Let me count how many Sharpie is in here. This is the smaller drawer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 Sharpie. I was able to fit in this little drawer here. I just put it like that. There. And I need it. 21 Sharpie in this little drawer. How many highlighter in the big drawer? I could fit more here. But this one here have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 highlighter. I can still fit more here. Maybe 2 more. So, there you go. You can also put pens and other things. Or makeup. So this would be great for the office or great for makeup. Different types of little things. Draw it here. This is the smaller one compared to the thicker one. They're like almost double. So this is taller. So they're the same here and the same length, but different depth. This will be a great for organizing your makeup, office supplies, art supplies, paper clips. I was able to fit a lot of Sharpie here. That's more than the other one. We got a little bit more room here. Maybe 4 more Sharpie. Highlighter. Highlighter. Sharpie. A bunch of them. It's like 4 layers, 5 layers here. 12 smaller, 8 deeper one. Total of 20 drawers, all in all. So there are 20 drawers for this set. This is a pack of 4, 2 of each. So total of 20 drawers that you're gonna get for this set. This is really, really nice. That's my unboxing and first impression. Really nice. Nice and sturdy.